knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Hey you guys, your girl Lady T here, making a Mario Brothers cake for my grandson. Let's go.
A 1 and a 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa Travis. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you?
5.
Okay. 5. How old are you? Gift time. Papa gonna get them gift times.
Catch already kind of
Joey gonna have. Ooh.
What you got, son?
He got to.
Hey, cousins help you.
He got to. You got watch. Good job. Good job. Spider.
Ooh, Mario.
I can get.
What else you got in there? That's from your Uncle Rome and your Auntie Ashley. Look, it's a watch.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. This is from your grandpa. You gonna put that over there. This is from your grandpa.
Yeah.
You want to take turns?
Tell Dad to help you.
Okay, so ask the tray.
No, I got it.
You got it?
You want
Okay.
tray? 4 kills. You want to take the bike back?
What you get, Babs?
No, he said no.
quarter size.
So mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you